Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about iOS 17.5.1. I'm using it from so many days now. We were expecting to see iOS 17.6 beta, but for now, iOS 17.6 beta is not out yet. It might come. Let's see. I will definitely make a video if it does come. Well, in iOS 18 developer beta, almost 2 days are remaining. I am really excited. Let me know in the comment section below, are you guys excited or not? In this video, I'm going to talk about how the battery is performing for iOS 17.5.1 from last couple of days. And I will also share some battery tips through which you can improve the battery life. So let's begin this video. Go to the setting, go to the battery to see the battery stats over here. Battery stats are the way to see how the phone is performing, so we can understand the overall performance of the phone. Well, going on this day over here, as you can see, I use my phone for 75%. This graph is showing it. I used it for 75%, and for that I got screen on time of 6 hours and 6 hours and 2 minutes, which is quite decent. Now, these were some of the applications that I was using. I was quite active on Facebook, TikTok, Safari, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Netflix, Facebook. And yeah, it's a decent screen on time, honestly speaking, for the 75%. And I think I want this screen on time to be taken to the iOS 18, because whenever any new update comes, it brings a lot of new features. No, those features are definitely going to use some extra battery. That is why battery always get decreased with the new features. Well, going to the another day, maybe this day over here, as you can see, I used my phone for almost 75 to 80%, and screen on time is 7 hours and 4 minutes. Again, this is really good. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, TapMats, Snapchat. So yes, screen on time is quite decent after using iOS 17.5.1 for a couple of days. Well, moving to the this day over here, as you can see, it is Saturday. Today is Saturday when I'm making this video. As you can see, I use my phone again for the 75% according to the graph, and the screen on time is 6 hours and 10 minutes. So you can see the consistency between this and this. There are difference of couple of minutes, but yeah, it is getting better. Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Netflix, X, Snapchat, these were some of the applications that I was using today. And yeah, charging was held hold due to iPhone temperature. It's quite hot here because of the summer. Because of that, sometimes it doesn't charge more than 80%, but still I can say we are getting a good battery life, good screen on time, even on the iOS 17.5.1. Well, talking about some of the battery tips, what you can do is you can turn off some of the features that you don't want to use to get some extra battery life. For example, going to the privacy and security over here, going to the tracking, you can turn off the tracking. It will help to save a battery. Go back, go to the location services. You can customize the location services according to your choice. For some applications, you can choose never option over here, so it don't use any location in the background. And yeah, it will also help to save battery. Now, going to the system services, you can also customize these location services according to your choice. For example, I don't like to use HomeKit. I don't use HomeKit at all, so the location is turned off, so it will help to save a battery. Now, going back again in the privacy and the security, go all the way down to the analytics and improvements. You can turn these off. Basically what it does, if it is on, it understand the performance of your phone and share the data with the Apple, which means it definitely gonna take a battery at the background, because some few sources, few processing is definitely happening at the background. So it is always better to turn this off. Now, by doing these things, you will be able to save a battery for your iPhone, which is really good. Well, that's it from this video. I'm quite excited about the iOS 18. Definitely when the iOS 18 come, I will be here bringing a video for you guys, so make sure to subscribe. Well, I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care, peace out.